we realised that we could naturally ventilate it, that we didn't have to put in a lot of expensive, heavy mechanical and energy-hungry mechanical plant. That with a building standing in space, we could draw in air from beneath the seats, and that's what generated the form of the towers, that to create a stack effect from the heat of the audience, we needed to build towers on the building up to a certain height so that the air would start to be drawn naturally in through it. And then we derived from that the architectural form of the box with the towers on the corner, that was also referring back to the fly tower of the Littleton Theatre as a simple prismatic form, to the towers of the lift shafts. And that's where the material of the shed came from as well, that the National Theatre is famously made of board-mark concrete, so we decided to make it of, as it were, the opposite material, of the boards themselves that might once have been used as the shuttering. I think for us it's very much a sustainability project, a work in progress. This isn't a perfect sustainable theatre, but it's taught us a lot about how we could go on to make more sustainable theatres in future. We know, or we're fairly sure, that the ventilation will work well. We researched as part of this project how we might attach this building to alternative energy sources, for instance. At the NT there was no need to do that, and the problem of course is justifying the cost of PV, solar panels or whatever for a short space of time. But we did work out how to do it so that in future one could imagine an auditorium that you simply had to plug into a 13-amp socket or into a wind turbine or some wave turbines or something, and that would be enough to drive it. So as a staging post along the road towards more sustainable theatre, this has been a fantastically valuable project which we hope we can take forward in the future.